this video, I will try to explain the diagram related to the actual crochet work. So it's self-explanatory. For right-handed crocheter, the direction of work is going this way, and for left-handed, the direction of work is going that way. So the repetitive design is start with this double crochet, which is marked by the pin on my actual work. I double crochet on the chain 3 space, as represented by this green chain 3 space. I chain 3, this one, and then double crochet on the same chain 3 space. Then I double crochet on the third double crochet from the chain 3 space, and then I chain 7 and then double crochet on the same stitch. And as you can see, that is the representation. This diagram represents these actual crocheted stitches, and from this pin to this pin, the stitches will be repeated all around, ending up on the last ending with a double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet, and then slip stitch on the third chain of the beginning chain 9 stitches. This loop here is not represented in the diagram because this is beginning stitch are always different from the rest. So that is how the actual work looks like as represented by this diagram. I hope this helps. I'm trying to introduce using a simple crochet because it's a lot easier to follow for me anyway. I know that we are our brain works in different ways, and for me it's easier to follow an instructions with diagram included. Instructions, written instructions, I have difficulty because for one thing of my eyesight. I usually get lost on where I am on the instructions, and that is my difficulty with written instructions. I really have to almost mark segments of instruction so that I would not get lost in the text. But I hope this helps, and please leave any comment, suggestions of how I can improve, and all positive critiques are welcome. Thank you for watching. To begin round 9, you chain 9, 1, 2, 3. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. The next 7 stitches count as the chain 7 loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and double crochet on the same stitch where the beginning chain 9 is attached. Then this is the steps that has to be repeated around the circle. So chain in the instruction, this will be marked by asterisk preceding the stitch. So double crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the same space. And then skip 1, 2, skip 2 double crochet and double crochet on the next double crochet. And then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then double crochet on the same space. Stitch. And so you will repeat here, from here to here, you will repeat the same step all around as discussed on my previous video. And that is how it looks. I will do another demo without making any comment. It is harder to crochet a nylon thread as compared to an acrylic yarn. I'm now on the last repeat of round 9. So double crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the same space. Then double crochet on the third double crochet from the chain 3 space. So 1, 2, 3, we double crochet on the third one. In other words, we skip 2 double crochet, 1, 2, we skip that, and double crochet on the next double crochet. Then we chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and double crochet on the same stitch. Then double crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the same space. And then slip stitch on the third chain of beginning chain 9. So 1, 2, 3, the third chain, we slip stitch there, and that's the end of the round 9.